Ever wondered how people make money on meme coins? I achieved these results simply by launching meme coins. If you're skeptical, stick around because I'm going to show you the exact process. I'm going to create a meme coin based on the dancing rat meme that's been viral lately. To show you how straightforward it is to launch a coin and see significant returns in minutes, I'll even start fresh with a brand new wallet. Perhaps you've mostly been trading meme coins rather than issuing them. I used to do the same, but I grew tired of watching my funds disappear into random shitcoins. After doing some digging, I discovered the strategy the top players are using, launching their own coins. This method allows you to double, triple, or even 10 times your initial investment, and I can tell you that it works successfully at least 90% of the time. Why Raydium over Pump.Fun? Many people immediately think of Pump.Fun for launches, but there's a major downside there. If you look at the feed, the sheer volume of coins being launched is overwhelming. New ones pop up every few seconds. Consequently, most of them have almost no volume and aren't worth your time. The solution is launching on Raydium, a DEX where the competition is 10 times lower. Because launching on Raydium typically requires coding knowledge, the frequency of new projects is lower, but the projects themselves are usually higher quality. These coins tend to reach larger market caps and attract thousands of active investors. How to launch? Using SplixFun. Since most of us aren't coders, I found a platform called SplixFun that allows you to launch directly onto Raydium with just a few clicks. It saves you the headache of learning to code. Step 1. Token creation. Connect your wallet to SplixFun and approve the permissions. Enter your token details. Name. Dancing rat symbol. Rat. Upload your logo and click Next. Tokenomics. Leave the default values as they are. The 1 billion supply is perfect. Description. Keep it simple. I am skipping it for this example. Click Next. Socials. You can skip these too, as the Raydium listing provides enough initial exposure. Step 2. Security settings. It is vital to leave the revoke authority settings on. Revoke freeze. Ensures you can't stop people from trading. Revoke mint. Ensures you can't print infinite new tokens. Investors check these. If they aren't revoked, no one will buy. Once confirmed, click Create Token and approve the transactions in your wallet. Step 3. Creating the liquidity pool. After you accept everything, let's check SolScan to verify that our token live and everything good. Now that the token exists on SolScan, it needs liquidity so people can trade it. Go back to SplixFun and click Create Liquidity Pool, which redirects you to Manage Liquidity tab. Now when we on Liquidity tab page, let's select our token in top field. Now we need to add token amount A, which is our token supply. We have 1 billion. We need to set the amount to 900 million tokens, the standard for meme coins. So let's just press 90% button for the amount token B, which is Solana. Since you are the first buyer, you are essentially setting the floor price, so put as much as you can because you can't lose this funds. So I simply press max button. Now, when everything ready, just click Create Liquidity Pool and confirm. Your coin is now live and will appear on platforms like Photon. To track the chart, let's just press View on Raydium button and it will redirect us to our token chart. And here you have it, the chart of the coin we just created. Now, all we have to do is wait until people buy our coin and then claim our profit whenever we want to. Just keep an eye on the liquidity of the coin. You'll see a few buys here, but these are just bots. Every now and then, go to Raydium's portfolio page, click on Standard, and refresh it until you can see your position down here. Here we got our first big buy going for $168, which is almost 1.2 Solana. After just 6 minutes, we're starting to get some volume. So let's just wait until we have a bit more. Now, we got one of $71, almost 0.5 Solana. After 7 minutes, just 1 minute after the last one. We're doing great. Let's keep waiting. Okay, guys, this is it. We started to get huge amounts of volume. As you can see, we got one for $220. Now, Lots of people are selling. A couple more just bought 140 each. This is crazy. That's why you use Raydium. This is the volume we want. All right, guys. A couple minutes have passed, and there's not much more going on. So, I think it's time to call it a day and take our money. As you can see, we had a huge spike on the market cap. People really went crazy with this one. We got another buy for $28. I think I'll settle with this. So, let's just go to Raydium now. Here, remember to refresh the page and connect your wallet. You'll see your position down here. Just click on the minus button. Now, set this slider at 100% and it will show you how much of the liquidity you can get. Just click on Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction. You will get a notification saying that you successfully removed the liquidity. Now, let me show you the best part of this process. Click on your wallet and enjoy the huge profit. As you can see, I made almost 2 times what I invested. Remember that you can do this over and over again until you're satisfied. That's how I've been making thousands of dollars daily. Guys, all of this is for educational purposes only. I'm in no way affiliated with Raydium, SplixFun, Photon, or DexScreener, but I will leave their links in the description. With that said, if you want to literally print money, this is the music way. These things never last forever, so go ahead and abuse this method while you can.